implementation costs or typical implementation costs of MDM. MDM comes in two ways, which is, you have the licensing of the software and then you have to implement it. The moment we are choosing a capex model, which is nothing but implementing it on-prem, the costs are going to be high. The reason for that is the infrastructure required, the platform required, any supporting software that is required, and then the management of that, people required to implement it, people required to manage it, support it going forward. So the implementation costs earlier could have been varying from hundreds of thousands of dollars to even probably for a large organization millions of dollars. But now the MDM is something that is easily affordable. The reason for that is you can implement an MDM solution for just under $10,000 as well for a small or medium enterprise, and that's really very, very good news. The reason for that is it's offered as an OpEx model, which is on cloud SaaS model, wherein you activate it, you can use the services that you require. You don't have to buy the entire package of it like in the capex model. All the features, hundreds of features, probably you might not be using them. So you can easily subscribe to an OpEx model, which is a SaaS model, or on cloud model. On demand, you can use the features, and which is easily affordable. And if any organization can afford to implement MDM for $10,000, it will be really a revolution. And this is what PiLog is bringing to the table.